Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to sync your transactions offline. Okay, so let's get to it. Now this interface, indicates that we are using the offline version. Okay, so if we are going to sync our transactions offline, we go to today's sales, you click on today's sales. Now a new window is opened. Okay, that shows you the sales you have made for the day. If we maximize it, so you're able to see all the records displayed here. So the sales, total sales you made for the day, the number of quantities you have sold for today, and then all that. Then there's a table that is displayed. Now we recommend that as you sell, you sync your transactions. As you sell, you sync your transactions depending on the situation in the shop. If there are a lot of people, you might want to wait for the place to calm down and then you sync your transactions. Okay, depending on the situation. So what you can always be selling your transactions and then be syncing them online. Once you sync them online, you'll be able to access all those data online. So that's what we are going to demonstrate here, syncing your transactions online. So you see the sync transactions displayed at the top. All right, so what this means is we are going to send this data back to our online account so that the transactions for the day is saved online. Okay, so let's click on sync transactions. Now you need the internet for this. Without internet connection, you cannot sync your transactions online. Okay, good. So it says that all transactions sync successfully. You can now see them from your online sales records. Okay, so once you sync online, you see that it disappears from here. It disappears from here, and then when you go to check your online sales and then the sales you have made for today, so let's demonstrate that. So this is our online sales. Okay, it says online sales for today. You are able to see all the transactions that you have made. So over here you can check it on your mobile app, you can check it from anywhere else that you are, the online sales the transactions that you have made offline. Okay, so this is how you sync your transactions offline. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of such amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video, so have a wonderful time and bye bye.